welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I just was in the kitchen wrestling my son because I got all these garbage items. I should not be eating this way, but I already have it. It's home, and if I don't need it, he will. So let's check it out. Okay, so these say, doesn't that look delicious? Maybe we'll do like a little cozy corner here with some coffee. So it's carrot cake sandwich cookies. Who doesn't like carrot cake sandwich cookies? Oh my goodness. And then these, believe it or not, these Little Debbie's oatmeal cream pies, those are my favorite. And then of course I went over and I got the Cozy Shack rice pudding. Isn't that delicious? I love it. So this was like a junk run. And let's see, so these are the store brand Walmart Pop-Tarts. He can have those. And I really just went to the store to get my organic sugar. What is the use of this if I got this? So he's so upset. All right, so I got 1 box of the stevia. Then I also needed the Duke's mayo, because we need Duke's mayo in our life. I got some of the dishwasher tabs, the Cascade Platinum. Yep, I like those. And then I got 2 of the, this is the kind of tuna fish. If I'm gonna have tuna fish that I like, the Star Kiss solid white tuna. I don't know why I don't like the texture of the other ones. I just got 2. I don't normally eat tuna fish regular, but I was in the mood for this with mayo and onion. And yep, that's pretty much it. There's my Walmart reusable bag, and that is my quick haul. So, before my son comes in here and starts screaming. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.